Hello and welcome to the short video on the KUPO Arch couplers. A quick history lesson for you. When KUPO first entered the grip market, their first products were couplers for stage and studio. So when it comes to couplers, KUPOs are unmatched with regards to quality, precision, and innovation. The solid metal couplers feature pincer-type jaws that can accommodate tubing diameters 38 to 51 millimeters with a simple twist of a knob. The arch coupler with 28 millimeter spigot is also known as a big bend clamp that weighs only 2.4 pounds but supports a whopping 330 pounds. One of my favorite things to do with a big bend is to rig a goalpost or span a piece of pipe between two light stands with junior receivers. The arch coupler with 16 millimeters is identical to its big bro Ben. However, it features the baby pin, weighs only 1.65 pounds, but still has a gravity-defying load capacity of 220 pounds. This coupler is designed to rig any light fixture or grip accessory with a baby receiver, such as this 1K Fresnel. Whether you're working on a soundstage with a pipe grid, or in a studio where you need to rig pipe for a goalpost or countless other uses, have a bunch of these couplers in your grip kit and you'll always have the perfect tools for the job. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.